Hey friends, it's Mrs. Miller with another strategy for you today. So I need for you to stand up and push in your chair and stand right behind your chair. So today we're going to do a breathing strategy that also has movement because we know that breathing and movement are the best ways to calm our brain. And we know our emotions come from our brain. So when we use breathing and movement, it helps us calm down even faster. So if you have really strong feelings or emotions that you don't know what to do with, breathing, moving, those are great ways to make yourself feel better. So today's strategy that we're going to use is called bird breathing. So while you're standing, I need you to stand up nice and straight. And we're going to put our arms out to the side as we breathe in. Then we're going to hold them for just a couple seconds. And then when we exhale through our mouth, this is one of the only times I give you permission to exhale really quickly and really strongly. Okay, usually we breathe out really slowly, but today we're going to breathe out quickly and fast. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to breathe in. We're going to hold it. These are like our bird wings, right? And then we're going to exhale really quickly, okay? So that's what it's going to look like. So when you breathe in, I want you to breathe in, really breathe in that air, make your belly kind of come out, and then we're going to hold it for just a couple seconds and then breathe out really quickly. All right, so here we go. In, really big inhale, hold it, and exhale. Inhale. Hold it, exhale. Great. Inhale. Hold it. In. Hold it. Exhale. We're going to do a few more. Inhale. Hold it. And exhale. In. In. This is our last one. In. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Out. Excellent. All right, go ahead and sit back down. All right, so that was bird breathing. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.